Okay, so to do engagement, you're just going to go through your posts. So you just catch up wherever you stopped last, and you're going to reply to people. It's ideal to do this engagement throughout the day because if you're replying within like the first hour or two that you post, it's the most beneficial. So if you could just commit to maybe doing a reply engagement right around the 1 hour mark of when you know that the post was posted, it'll go a lot better for you. Unlike on Facebook where you're not really supposed to like your own stuff, I find it really beneficial to heart whenever I did reply, especially if you have other virtual assistants or other people accessing your account, because it'll just show where you've left off. Like, hey, this is a heart, and you don't really have to pay attention to what the replies are or who they came from. You can just go, oh, there's a heart there. It's already been, loved on. And remember, the hearts are also going to give notifications to your people, and that's exactly what you want. So once you're done engaging on that end and replying, what you're going to do is to go to tagged photos, and you are going to start loving on any of your tagged photos. You're going to do this. It's ideal to do 3 to 4 words, but even if you're just double tapping, saving, sharing, saving to a collection even for later use, or just dropping a really quick emoji on it, loving on your tagged photo is just going to tell your customers that you do truly care and you're checking them out. This is another great way to build content for later too. So we call it UGC, user generated content. You can save them to collections, or you could just save them to all collections here on Instagram. And then later on, when it's time to share some UGC, whether in your stories or you want to repost them, they're going to be there in your collections for you. So we're just going to love on them. Most of these are going to be somewhere between 4 and 5 words because they're most beneficial. But as you'll see, the longer we go on, the shorter that gets, because we just want to get it done right now for the video. The great thing is too, once you're doing this, if you're keeping up, you'll get to a point here in a little bit where you see where you caught up. You see that, you've already double tapped that photo and or saved or commented. So it's really about just keeping up and showing love. Engagement is just about showing love and appreciation for those who post about you and tag you. So we've just caught up. These are already hearted. For those who post your stuff and tag you, and for those who comment on your stuff, it's just really important to build a relationship.